The overall goal of this procedure is to show the preparation and characterization of a dendrimeric paramagnetic chelate, which can be used as a contrast agent for magnetic resonance imaging, and to demonstrate its performance in an imaging experiment.
This method can help answer key questions in the field of MRI contrast agents, such as the properties and efficacy of dendrimeric contrast agents.
The main advantage of this technique is convenient preparation of the efficient MRI contrast agent with high purity, thus ensuring its easier characterization.
This method can extend towards further structural modifications and functional optimizations of dendrimeric MRI contrast agents, which is of great relevance for potential in vivo applications.
The implications extend towards biomedical research and diagnostic imaging, as the high molecular weight of dendrimeric contrast agents causes longer tissue retention times and substantially enhanced MR signal.
First, dissolve 1 gram of the macrocyclic precursor DO3A tert-butyl ester in 5 milliliters of DMF. Add 0.67 grams of potassium carbonate and stir at room temperature for 45 minutes. Add 0.87 grams of tert-butyl 2-bromo-4,4-nitrofenyl butanoate in portions over an hour and continue stirring the reaction mixture for 18 hours. Then, remove the DMF with bulb-to-bulb vacuum distillation at 40 to 60 degrees Celsius. Purify the residue with silica gel column chromatography to obtain a brown solid. Dissolve 1 gram of the solid in a mixture of 10 milliliters ethanol and 100